Thank you for coming to the channel, checking out what I have available for you today. Today I'm coming to you with 20 data entry work from home jobs that's going to put some money in your pocket. Being that the new year is here, I don't want to waste any more of your time. I just want you to know I appreciate you hanging out with me for a little bit. Number one is called Holiday Credit Repair. In Richmond, Virginia, a sales consultant, remote, work from home, $600 to $1,500 every week. So you can make anywhere from $600 to $1,500 every single week. Number two is called FLS Connect Jacksonville, Florida. Customer service, $11 to $20 an hour. 3 is called Yavari LLC Medley, Florida. A sales consultant, $27,000 a year, fully remote. 4 is called fun.com, remote seasonal customer service. And you must type at least 25 words per minute. 5 is called Patton Financial Services, Austin, Texas, licensed life insurance agent. You must have a valid insurance certification in order to apply for this position. Number 6 is called preemployed.com, Redding, California, customer service rep, $13 to $15 an hour. 7 is called AdviceOne LLC, Glastonbury, Connecticut, Operations Associate, Bachelors in Business. 8 is called HomeSmart Realty Advisors. I know you hear this on TV with the commercials. They go on and on and on all day long. This is in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Real estate sales make up to $100,000 a year, $100K a year. Number 9 is called Blue Shield of California, and this is in Lodi, California. Phone support. It's more like data, and it's like a data entry level position. 10 is called Family Advisors, Reno, Nevada, life insurance agent, make up to $2,700 a week because you're going to be working on commission. 11 is called Get Insured, Atlanta, Georgia. Customer service, $14.50 to $16.50 an hour. 100% remote. 100% remote. Working from home, virtual. 12 is called Closets by Design. Boston, Stoughton, Massachusetts. Sales designer, $2,000 to $4,000 a month. 100% remote. 13 is called Sugarloaf, Native Nursery and Supply. You're going to be a sales rep online, work from home sales rep. They have full-time and part-time positions. And this is in Dickerson, Maryland. 14 is called Agency Gift. In Fort Lauderdale, Florida, remote. Phone sales must be a go-getter and display no fear when cold calling. $30,000 to $55,000 a year. 15 is called CFE Virtual Call Center, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. Customer service, $9 to $13 an hour. 1 year of customer service experience. 1 year. 16 is called Absolute Dental in Las Vegas, Nevada. Call center specialist, $11 to $13 an hour. Bilingual, please apply. 17 is called Glam Lab Makeup Studios and Academy. Cosmetic Sales Associate, $45,000 to $150,000 a year. 18 is called Blue Star Claims Management. This is in Phoenix, Arizona. Claims Intake Coordinator, $12 to $16 an hour. No experience is needed for this position. 19 is called Hagstrom Management, Brooklyn, New York. Marketing rep, commission-based pay. You can make anywhere from $29,000 to $82,000 a year in commission. 20 is called Pharma Logistics Recruiting in Quincy, Massachusetts. Executive recruiter. You can make anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour. If you find any of these interesting, click on the link and you know what to do. Start the process. And I want to say thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. I appreciate you. And I hope that any one of these work from home jobs and ways of how to make money from home, I hope that any one of these 20 data entry work from home jobs is going to put some money in your pocket. And if you find any of them interesting, click on the link. And if you want more ways of how to make money from home, from the comforts of your home, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so when I do my future videos, you will be the first one to get a notification, and then you can check out the video. Brand new videos every single week. And to my viewers, I want to say thank you. Heartfelt. I got over 300 subscribers. And to you, my subscribers, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me and sticking with me on my channel. And if you are a new viewer, then consider subscribing to the channel and you will be part of my family as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.